Stock has countless applications in the kitchen. It's also easy, economical, and reduces food waste. Here are the do's and don'ts for a good stock. Stock can be made using fresh ingredients or materials collected over time. For our stock today, we're using shrimp shells and legs. In any non-vegetarian stock, do include meat and connective tissue. These parts contain gelatin and collagen, giving the stock a rich silkiness. We'll begin by roasting the shells in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes to intensify their flavor. Do roast to produce a richer stock. Don't roast if you prefer a cleaner, more neutral taste. Along with our shrimp, we're using classic flavors mirepoix, peppercorns, and bay leaves, alongside tomato paste, saffron, and garlic. Use whatever you like aside from cruciferous vegetables, which may become bitter. Do chop your vegetables as more exposed surface area will extract more flavor. We're also using white wine. Do use acids in your stock to help break down and extract more nutrients during cooking. Remember when flavoring that stock is a backdrop for other dishes. It doesn't require the robust flavor of a finished dish. Over medium heat with your goods in the pot, cover with water by 1 inch and maintain a low simmer. Do simmer uncovered to concentrate flavor, adding warm water as needed to keep solids submerged. Do skim any scum that appears on the surface and don't stir or boil. Boiling flattens flavor and emulsifies fats and scum, making them impossible to remove. So how long is this gonna take? For our shrimp, about an hour and a half. Once cooked, remove solids and strain through a sieve. Use right away, store in the refrigerator for up to a week, or in the freezer for up to a year. With our shrimp stock, we're making a seafood risotto with seared scallops and shrimp. Now you've got everything you need to make any kind of stock you like. Enjoy.